messenger to carry out a message to your family, friends, and loved ones. So ladies and gentlemen, please relax and enjoy as our flying feathered friends are going to show some amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participation, and important environmental message. Now, are you ready to be amazed by our flying feathered friends?
Yes!
Okay, great. To start with, we have my partner here on stage, Miss Buddy, to welcome our Bulldog Kone, Amigo. So, Amigo originated from South America, and he inhabited the rainforest of Brazil. By the way, Amigo is a responsible bird, and he loves to keep his environment clean. So, we have sample trashes right here. Let's see what Amigo will do. First, we pick up a plastic cup, open it and drop it inside. Fun. You pick up a can, open it and drop it inside. Last one, buddy. Okay, you pick up a crumpled paper, open it and drop it inside. Big bird. Now see, if birds can do, why can't you, right? Always put your trashes into the trash bin because as we all know that cleanliness is next to godliness. That's right. And I think together with his fine friend friends, what's something to tell us? What is this something for you? Welcome to the Kuzukari Bird Show! Now everyone, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying applause. So we have our two global named Kyle and Carl. But wait, there's more. So we have a total of 6 global macaws named Harry and Carl. So macaws are very adaptive bird, and whatever environment they're in, it becomes quite normal to them. So if they're surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. And macaws love to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. They also have a powerful beak that can from partial notes. And we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world, and macaws are the largest. Okay, and you're ready to go back home one by one. So round of applause for flying macaw. And before we proceed to our next bird, once again, please turn off the flash of the phones, please. Thank you so much. Please turn off the flash of the phone.
I don't have
Okay,